Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable Data Saver mode on your Samsung Galaxy device, follow these step-by-step instructions to reduce mobile data usage and save on your data plan. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. You can find this by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon, or by locating it in your app drawer. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Connections to access network and connectivity settings. Step 3. Tap on Data Usage to view your current data consumption and access data management options. Step 4. Look for Data Saver option and tap on it to access the feature's settings. Step 5. Toggle the switch at the top of the screen to turn on Data Saver mode. When enabled, your device will restrict background data usage for apps. Step 6. Review the list of apps that will be affected by Data Saver mode. Most apps will have restricted background activity when this mode is active. Step 7. If needed, you can allow specific apps to use data even when Data Saver is on. Tap on Allowed to use data while Data Saver is on and select the apps you want to exempt. Step 8. Monitor your data usage regularly through the same settings menu to ensure Data Saver mode is working effectively and helping you stay within your data limit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.